right?
Yeah.
So as an investor, you want to understand, I've been tracking gold since it was 50,000. I actually exited gold when it was 98. Today, gold is 1,14,000 while you and
Yeah.
I are talking, right? Now,
Yes. Yes.
uh, there are two ways of looking at it. First is I caught the gold cycle very early at 50 and exited at
Oh,
almost 100% return at 98. The other way of looking at it is that I've lost out on the last part of the rally where
that's
the gold is probably still 20% higher from where
yes.
I sold off. This is the problem. When you think you understand too much, you want to do too many things,
Um,
right? Uh, which is why I say that a retail investor who clearly knows that he does not know,
uh,
he will
uh,
make more money than people who think that they know and try and act on sophisticated understanding that they have.
no, I still believe that my grandmother, who's holding a lot of gold, or maybe some other ladies in India might be holding gold, are generating more CAGR than us when we are just putting in our money and taking it out of as well. So I think time aspect, which you talked about, I think we can learn from them as well, that how curious they are to hold gold. And in fact, I was reading a study which actually told that Indians in all have so much of gold, like it is not unilaterally distributed to the government, but it's universally distributed among all the Indians. Like every household has some 10 grams or 5 grams of gold. And if you compare it with the trillions of dollars of assets which are there in the US for like the golds, I think Indians will have almost 3 times the gold, you can say, economy versus the highest economy in the gold, which is US. So yeah, that's an interesting fact as well. So thank you for
In fact,
telling us.
I'll tell you something else as well. You know, you talk to your fathers or forefathers, not really forefathers, but grandfather or your father in general, and they will tell you that real estate is a great investment. I'm sure you and I both have heard about it. It's been a great investment for them because they've not looked at real estate like you and I look at equities,
Mm,
right? It is so unfortunate that the liquidity aspect of equity, which is supposed to be a great value addition to people
mm,
to invest in equity as an asset class, is actually
mm,
counterproductive
yeah.
because people use the liquidity unfortunately at the wrong place at the wrong time and don't stay invested. Only reason why our fathers and grandfathers have made money in real estate and gold is because they never sold it.
True.
And that is exactly how I think time plays an absolutely critical role. Not try and focus on something which is not in your hand, which is return. Rather, try and focus on investing more and holding on to it as long as possible. That's the only mantra, in my opinion, to create wealth, right?
Yeah.
So, as an investor, you want to